Hello friends, welcome to the Payazee channel. Today we will solve this 9-piece wooden Burr 3D puzzle. Let's start with the solution. I like this piece very much. This seems to be a 3D pyramid puzzle from top and bottom. Let's try to rotate and make it stand. Ooh, I was able to do that. Interesting. Okay, let's dismantle this piece and start our solution for this puzzle.
Yes.
Let's find the moving piece, and that will make the dismantle very easy for us. Okay, one piece is out now. Let me dismantle the other piece as well. This is the 9-piece wooden Burr puzzle. We have to remove each and every piece so that we can start with our solution. I have provided the link in the description and the first comment where you will get your own Burr puzzle. This is a 6-piece Burr puzzle. Okay, all the pieces are now dismantled. Let me rearrange it properly so that we can pick piece by piece and assemble it. Okay, we will take up the two pieces which are bigger one, and one with the small cut and other with the big cut. We will rotate and put it inside. Okay, now let's take the another bigger piece, rotate it and put it in between the two interlocking pieces. So these three pieces are connected at the center. So this will make the intersection at the midpoint. Let me fix it properly. Now we are left with 6 pieces, 5 pieces with a single cut. Let's take the first cut and place it in between. Hold it properly. Let's take the second cut and place at the bottom. Now rotate and put one more cut, single piece in the back of it, and hold it properly with your finger. Now take the bottom piece which has bigger cut, put it at the top. Make sure you rotate it on the top. It will have some gap. Again take the single piece and put in the front. Yeah, it should be placed properly. Okay, this is correct. And the last piece we have to place on the left hand side. Make sure the top piece is little adjusted on the top so that we can put our piece in between. And now make all the pieces tight. This is very beautiful pyramid puzzle in the top and bottom. If you like this solution, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Payazee channel. And if you want this kind of puzzle, check out the first comment. I have provided the link. Bye bye.
Bye bye.